Today on Stuff We Love, we're talking about the Echo 58-volt chainsaw. It's a 16-inch lithium-ion battery-powered chainsaw, Josh.
Brushless, Andrew.
Brushless motor.
Chainsaw.
What do you like about it?
Yeah, I love this thing. I mean, I put these up against a handful of other ones out there. This thing is honestly a monster. I've got a couple gas saws and I went out cutting with it. If you have two batteries, with one battery you're fine, but if you had a second one, you could limb and chop down a whole tree. I mean, that's how much power this thing runs out. So one of the things I like is it's their 58-volt platform. They actually have this in the blowers, they got hedgers, they got weed whips, push mowers.
Yeah, that's all lawnmower too.
Yeah, I mean, so they got other things that intercept with it. But this chainsaw is really cool. At the 16 inches, it comes with the guard, a charger, and the battery.
Okay.
And that's got obviously the inertia safety lock on it. So you just literally, I mean, that's it. And it's not a really thin kerf. It's almost close to a real gas chainsaw in the thickness of it. It's got the oil on it. The other thing I love is the tools on board.
Okay.
So I mean, it's really neat that they put this on the bottom here, and you can pull this out, and let's say you just want to make some quick adjustments, loosen that up, tighten your set screw, you're done, or if you need to change your saw out or your chain or whatever. So it's really neat what they've done with this saw, and I've had very good luck with it. But I wanted you to make a cut because I know you haven't made a cut yet, and just feel it. And this is a 4.0 battery. I mean, it's pretty lightweight for what it is, you know.
All right. Let's see. So we got the safety here. Very cool. Here we go.
I mean,
you're gonna be doing
I'm not laughing at it. I'm laughing that.
That was great.
If you can't say that's impressive, there's something wrong.
Well, and like the other thing is like we would never use a gas chainsaw to cut anything inside.
No,
you know, because you've got the exhausts, all that kind of stuff.
Yep, it's exactly. And I feel that God, these motors and these electronics that are coming out with battery operated are coming so far now. It's amazing. I wasn't a battery guy, but it is growing on me now a lot. I won't lie. So it's and you saw. I mean, this is 6x6 treated. This is a super, you know.
Yeah, it's a dense piece of wood.
Yeah, it is. So, yeah, this is the Echo 16-inch brushless.
Very cool. The Echo 58-volt cordless chainsaw, 16-inch. You can get it online at Home Depot. About $300. Comes with the battery and the charger.
Yep. And the guard, Andrew.
And the guard. Anyway, stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.
It's a powerhouse.